This question can tell if your child is able to score AL1 in Math PSLE. So the question is, 2/3 of the red paint is equal to 3/5 of the blue paint. So the blue paint has 110 milliliters more than the red paint. How much red paint do we have? So if your child is able to answer this question with the answer 990 milliliters, then your child is right. However, if your child got it wrong, then no worries, don't cry yet. Your child just need to learn about this thing called the equal fraction concept. So the first step is to find the equal fractions in the question. So in the first statement, it says 2/3 of the red paint is equal to 3/5 of the blue paint. So we can write down the first one, which is 2/3 of red, and in the model, it will look something like this. Then we will have 3/5 of the blue paint, and in the model, it will look something like this. So we also know that they are both the same, where the red, 2 parts of it is equal to 3 parts of the blue. They are the same. So the next step is making the numerators the same. So to make the numerators the same for both of the fractions, we need to get the lowest common multiples of the numerators, or we call it LCM. So to get the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, it's basically 6. So now we need to just put in the multiplication for red, which is times 3, and for blue, times 2. And the final fraction and equation will be 6 over 9 of red is equal to 6 over 10 of blue. And in the model, it will split to look something like this. And if you were to look in the model, the numerators are the same. That means in the model itself, 6 units are the same for both red and blue. Make a sense? Yes. So now we know that 6 units of red and blue are the same. In step 3, we convert the fractions to units. So you see that the denominator for red is 9. It is also the total number of units for red in the model. So the red total number of units is 9 units. Same goes to the blue. The denominator says 10. That means the total number of units for blue is 10 units. So now we know the total units for red and blue. Step 4, we can just solve the question. So in the question, it says the blue paint has 110 milliliters more than the red paint. So if we were to put into an equation, it will look something like this. And if we were to swap in the units, then we know that 1 unit is equal to 110 milliliters. And the question asks, how much red paint do we have? So we have 9 units as red paint. So we multiply 110 by 9 and we will get 990 milliliters for the red paint. And that's the answer.